Yo guys, what is up? It is me, Ultra Fruits, aka the Big Fruity Dude, back with another video. No, I mean Rushing Fruits. I changed my YouTube username again. I don't know why I do that. But okay, I'm gonna be showing a 2x2 Rubik's Cube that I actually already had. Now let's get started. So let me give it a quick scramble. Wait, I'm not gonna show my scramble. Hold it. Give me just a second. No, I know how to solve a 2x2 and a 3x3, but not a 4x4, sadly. I got some Rubik's Cube, but yeah. And you know that pink paint, I don't know where it came from. So yeah, let's solve it. I hope my storage doesn't get piled up fast. I'll do this quick. We're starting the 2x2 is quick. Okay, it's gonna be scramble. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm trying to show you guys, but it's a little confusing to do this, cause like, okay, I already got one lined up. Okay, this shouldn't be that hard, but it also showed me that easy. So I'll do it like this. So then this, this will go right here. This. Boom. Wait. Oh no. Wait. What? Oh my God, I messed up. Okay, then. That's gotta be aligned with green then. And then that's got to be aligned with, I'm assuming this color. It's gotta be, nope. Wrong orientation, still wrong orientation. Then, okay, guys, okay, I got it. For proof, I'm actually solving the Rubik's Cube. I got 3x3 now, I don't know where it is, so, oof. I guess, let's do it like that. It's very tricky to do this. I got a horizontal line. I'm surprised I know how to solve a 3x3, no, 2x2. Okay, now, let's do it like this way. Oh, yeah, okay, so, wait, what, okay, these individual look very confusing algorithms to me, but I'm a pro at solving these cubes, so it's no problem with me. I was popular in school last year in 6th grade, but I unfortunately ain't anymore. Wow, such a sad year for me, right? Yeah. I'm sorry I'm talking low and my neck hurts now because since I'm stretching down, trying to show you the camera, but it's like super tricky to do this when you're at a far distance. When you're at a close distance, it's easier to solve a Rubik's Cube. But that's on my freaking nerves. Okay, I could do this faster, you know. Like that. Okay. Okay, I'm nearly close to solving it. I could feel it in my testicles. Okay, this is the final part. Voila. Victory is solved. Yup. I solved it. Here's proof. Look at all the sides. Look at the top. Look at the bottom. Victory, boys. I hope you guys can see me, but peace. I will do more Roblox videos, and yeah. Anyways, we're out, and sorry to hear background noises, but bye. And actually, I'll do a video on solving the 3x3, alright guys? But peace. Every day is lit, bros. Bye.